So hi friends, welcome to my channel Check Progresses. So in this video I'm gonna tell you about the best keyboards out there on Amazon. So let's go to Amazon. So we're gonna go Amazon. So in my country I have different Amazon. Like in my country I have Amazon.sa, which is Saudi Arabia. In your country it may be different, so I'm just gonna write Amazon.sa, and there we go. So latest mobile phones are out there right now, so just write mechanical gaming keyboard. So the best keyboard I liked was this one out there. In my country there are only 4 left in stock, so this is the best keyboard out there for me. It's also mechanical and its price is 128 real. In dollars, I think we should convert this into dollars also. So I copied it. Let's do real to dollar. Yes, we're gonna paste it. So it's $34 US dollars, $34.33. It's pretty cheap price, and we get pretty cool keyboard. This is a mechanical keyboard and it's all RGB. Yeah, its switches can come out and you can also customize it by your choice. So the next keyboard out there, which is pretty cheap, is this one. This is also a mechanical keyboard. It has a random Frank P look. It's a YouTube channel. I'll leave the link in the description for him. Check out him. So he also does keyboard reviews. So he has this keyboard on his setup. So it's a pretty cool keyboard. It has a white look and it looks pretty stylish. So this is the keyboard layout. It's all mechanical. It has RGB and you can also customize it by your choice. So it has also a wire for connecting it to your PC. So as you can see, it connects here. And oh, I forgot to tell you the price. It's only 148 SAR, but if you will convert, if you will convert it, so it's only 39 US dollars. It's pretty cheap price. This is also, but it is very bad because it's all white and it will look very bad on your setup. That's why it's cheap. So there's another keyboard out there. This is 158. It's in stock. So it is orange. It has a yellow orange look. Make it simpler, compact. It's very compact. And ultra low latency wireless transmission. Work smarter, not harder. So as you can see, it's the size of the laptop. It's smaller than the laptop from both sides, as you can see here also. So 140-50 mAh battery, high endurance, and auto sleep mode, 10 key rollover. So these were some keyboards that I showed you in this video. So if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share, and what are you to do. Till then, bye bye.